You are going to love the 2017 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rails, power lift gate, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, fog lights, remote power door locks, body color door handles, fog lamps, perimeter alarm. Inside you'll find rear view camera, backup camera, heated steering wheel, Sirius, satellite radio, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, cargo area light, compass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.